Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, then press the like button, subscribe and share my videos. So today we are trying out a Himachali recipe called Aktori. Now you can call this an Indian pancake, an Indian eggless pancake or a millet pancake. Whatever you call it, it's a very tasty recipe. The detailed ingredients list is in the description box. Do check it out. So in here I have got equal amounts of buckwheat flour or Kuttu ka atta and whole wheat flour or atta, and I've kept it ready in a bowl. Apart from this, I've got sugar, baking soda and milk here. We'll also require half a cup of water, which I'll add once I start the recipe. Now we're going to make a thick batter out of the flours in here. So we'll just mix the flour together. Add sugar. Baking soda. Now that we have added all the dry ingredients, we'll move on to the wet ingredients. So I've got milk in here, which I'll pour little by little. I've taken the same amount of water as well as milk. We're going to add that into this. Let's make a thick batter. I've heated a tawa on the fire. Keep it on low flame. Now Aktori is from the northern parts of Himachal Pradesh and is a sweet dish which they make during festive occasions. This, it seems, is a forgotten recipe now, so more reason for us to try this recipe out at our homes and keep it alive. The quantity that I have mentioned in the recipe is enough to make 2 to 4 Aktoris. I've already greased the tawa with some oil. You can use oil or ghee. The consistency of the batter should be like a idli or dosa batter. It should be thick but pourable, like this. Now let's pour it on the tawa. Pour it just like you would do with a pancake. You can see bubbles coming. We need to have this cooked from the bottom, and then we'll flip and cook from the other side as well. You can see bubbles have appeared on this side. Just check and flip. You can see it's turned to a golden brown color. Now we can remove this from the fire. Let's cook the rest of the Aktoris in the same manner. So I have a lot of recipes on my channel, so do check out the channel, and if you like it, do subscribe, like and share. I'll also put a link to similar recipes on my channel right above. Please click and do watch those recipes as well. You can serve these Aktoris drizzled with a little bit of honey. So I hope you liked today's recipe. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time with a new recipe. Bye!